of that. I'll show you. Alright, so what we're going to do is roll up, decent amount of speed, kind of at a slight angle, get a nice pop. Instantly start turning. You're going to slap it real hard, get it in there good. Lean in, lean on real hard, the right foot. And what you want to do is just kind of slip out, press a little bit on your right foot. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my trick tip. Frontside tail slides are super fun, so hopefully I see you around ripping them up. Remember slapping it in, that's the key. You can learn all the variations, kickflip out and shit. So I'll see you there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy my trick tip. And I hope we see a tail slide real soon at the skate park, because I'm going to be doing it too. And remember that slap in. That's the key. I'll see you there.